everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the classic Indian breakfast, upma, which is like a cream of wheat but with an Indian twist. So let's get cooking. To make our upma, we're going to take a pan on medium-high heat. To this, we're going to add around 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil and wait for it to get hot. Once the oil is hot, add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. Once the seeds begin to splutter, add a teaspoon of urad dal or white lentils, and a teaspoon of chana dal and cook until golden brown. The lentils are golden brown. To this, we're going to add 10 curry leaves, 2 dried Kashmiri red chilies, and toast this for 10 seconds. All the ingredients look extremely toasty. To this, we're going to add around half a cup of chopped onions and cook until the onions are translucent. The onions look completely cooked, so to this, we're going to add around 1 Thai green chili and a 1-inch piece of ginger that's finely chopped. And we're going to cook all of this for 1 minute. Bring the heat to medium-low and add your semolina. Over here, I'm using around 1.5 cups. Mix this continuously and toast it till the semolina turns light pink, and this should take around 4 to 5 minutes on medium-high heat. The semolina looks delicious and toasty, so to this we're going to add around half a cup of thawed green peas. You can also use fresh green peas if you have access to that. Now we want to reduce the heat to low, salt to taste, and slowly pour 3 cups of hot water. I'm using 3 cups because I used 1.5 cups of semolina, so it's a 1:2 ratio. Mix all of this really well and cook for around a minute, and immediately close with the lid till it's well combined. With the lid on, we're going to let this cook for around 5 minutes on low heat. It's been 5 minutes and the upma looks perfect. And that's the finished recipe. So that's how you make an upma. It's super quick and easy. If you're looking to mix up your overnight oats routine with something a little more savory and spiced, this is a great option. It's also extremely filling and great for people on the go because it takes less than 10 minutes to put together. If you want to see more quick vegan Indian dishes like this, please let me know in the comments. And also please like and subscribe because I come out with new Indian dishes every Sunday. And I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye.